Ini video 537 ya. This video is for Julia, my friend, Israeli friend. Sekarang itu adanya gejala perang untuk revolusi Iran. I need you to learn about the history. Okay? I can explain to you slowly, yeah? But it's very important for you to understand. First, that Iran, Islamic region, Islamic country, is created by US against the Shah Iran. Because at the time Shah Iran nationalized the oil company, so they create the Ayatollah Khomeini. So now, if you are against this regime in Iran, then you will bring back the Shah Iran regime once they are against US. So this is a never-ending story. Secondly, when you look at Iran, okay, what do you see? This is the flag of those region. It's a red and green coalition. What is red? Red is communism. Green is Islam. So, when you attack Iran, your enemy is not Iran, but in the broader picture, your enemy is the BRICS. And what is BRICS? BRICS is communism and Islamic Caliphate. And behind the BRICS is an ASEAN countries. They are ready to use the BRICS currency. Do you know what is BRICS currency? BRICS currency is the yuan dinar. You have to read the Chinese Shadow World Bank. The China has been doing the World Bank shadow as we call it hidden debt China for the Belt and Road Initiative. So when you attack Iran, when you bomb Iran, you will find a nuclear detonator somehow, somewhere in Iran. That is not from Iran, that is from Russia or China. And when you create the nuclear bomb in Iran, what is going to collapse? US hegemony. It has been since 1400 years ago. This war is against the hegemony of the Jew, because in Quran, An-Nisa, the Arab was overwhelmed by the Jew because of the practice of riba. So that's why you have to understand that this war has been 1400 years old against riba. So when you see the US dollar hegemony, this not going to collapse because of enemy. This going to collapse because of the organism within the US dollar. Study about the Black Widow. This widow, like a spider, she kill the husband when they are mating. So when you are not aware that there is a shadow World Bank created by China, and this is going to be the yuan dinar, that everyone will get the loan from China. This is very difficult for you to understand, but chew this slowly. What you can do is, it's very important mission for you. You can be the prince of Java. I mean the princess of Java. That you represent the authority of the RMT, Recircular Money Theory. And what is that? That currently the US state debt has been to the neck, which is $38 trillion. There is no other country can bail out this debt. Not Venezuela, not Greenland, not Iran. There is no single liter of Iran oil to bail out the US debt. There is no single liter of Venezuelan oil to pay for US debt because it's too big. Even the whole continent of America is not worth of $38 trillion. You have to know who is bail out the state debt of America. That is, Bretton Woods was based on the three kingdom asset. Okay, Japanese kingdom, China kingdom, and the Dutch Indies kingdom. And the largest asset was the Dutch Indies kingdom. So, according to the causality law, that USA must go back to the Bretton Woods in order for them to create or to build out their state debt. And then the Bretton Woods create a new $100 trillion debt for US in order to build out their state debt. What Israeli can do is to speed up, to fasten the RMT, Recircular Money Theory. How are you going to get the new collateral for the Bretton Woods system? Is first to access the Suharto asset, and those assets are now become the Indonesian conglomerates, and then they receive $1 trillion time deposit from Suharto in 1998. Those time deposit now become the Panama Papers. So for you to understand how to recirculate the money theory, to access Suharto money from the Panama Papers. If your government can do freezing the Panama Papers according to their crimes of the tax evasion, then you can print your shekels. Secondly, when you get Iran intercontinental bomb to bomb Israel, you don't need to send another bomb, just do the RMT, Recircular Money Theory, just freezing Ayatollah, Ustads, all those government money, businessmen from Iran, everybody just frozen, freezing their account, and then use it as an RMT, Recircular Money Theory. Thirdly, that you can understand how the money creation is made, okay, which is from the mother asset of three kingdom at the time was seized by Douglas MacArthur, and then they collect the asset. At the time, the only remaining asset after World War II was $10 trillion, valued $10 trillion. Then they use it as a collateral for the Bretton Woods, and then they create for another $100 trillion for the World Bank credit. That is the origin of money.